All right, welcome back to another episode of Enjoy Northwoods. All right, everyone, welcome back. We're out at the creek today, and we're gonna do a little speed panning. We're back at a spot we've been poking around, and we found a little bit of gold in this back area here. So we're just gonna focus on that area and move some material with our pans. So ought to be pretty interesting. Can't wait, so let's get at it. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna dump some in, classify it, throw it out, pan it down till it just gets down to the bottom, leave it in there, throw the classifier on, shovel some more on, and we're gonna keep going a few pans, see how it goes. So. The thing is, just make sure you really work it down when we're speed panning. Take a little bit extra time just to make sure that gets down there. You also get lots of garnets here, so that also lets them get worked down to the bottom. And that's what I'm going to pan it down to, right about there every time. So let's fill it up again. Okay, that's as far as I'm going to take it down. I left my prescriptions in the truck, so I see gold though. So let me put this in this concentrate, and I'm going to have to go get my glasses. Well, all right, this next run, what we're going to do is we're going to classify a few gallons all at once, and then just pan out of that bucket. And I would have to say it's probably going to be our quickest method to move more material. We're just shoveling and classifying one time instead of picking it up and doing it each individual pan. And I think that'll cut us down a little more myself. So we're gonna see how that goes. All right, there's that bucket. That was about, I don't know, 4 gallons, pretty close to 4 gallons anyway. And definitely way better, especially if you can find yourself a nice little perch to sit on. But that's what's the cons out of that. And we are gonna go ahead and add this to our container and keep going. We got some pan-fried venison, breaded in grapes and some Parmesan cheese. All right, we got about 3.5 gallons classified, and we're gonna pan that out, speed pan that, and we'll keep those concentrates separate, and we'll see what we get. We dug it from right on the side of this rock here that we found a little bit of gold right behind it. So I don't know, we'll find out. All right, our last pan. Definitely a nice day out for a February day. And the whole thing about speed panning, it's not that you're really doing anything that much faster. We're not cleaning out our pan every time, and we're not taking it totally down. That's where you save the time. So when you don't take it totally down, that lets you bring concentrate back, and then you get to go through that, which takes a lot of time to go through a little. So that's where you save the time, the speed panning. Just basically getting it down to cons and then throw in a bucket and then do that at a later date. All right, well that's all we're gonna take this down to. So I'm gonna throw this in the bucket and we're gonna pack up and get out of here, and we'll see if we got anything. Oh man, that was an awesome day today. Sun's just been beating all day, melted all the snow away. So let me show you where we dug. All right, we dug right on the side of this rock. Right there, that was our second dig. That's in the middle of the river. And then we dug against this bank underneath this root. So that's the one that's in our concentrate pan. So we're packed up, and we're gonna hike out and see what we got. All right, we are back. Oh, by the way, we have our 1,000th sub giveaway coming up. We are approaching that, and we are going to give away a sweet Miller table. We made that. We're going to make another one out of some black walnut. Going to be awesome. And that will be part of our giveaway, so you guys stay tuned for that. And then this is what we got today. We got 25 plus pieces, some decent pieces, nothing big, and a few micro. We got some nice garnets, one really nice garnet. So awesome, just a shovel in our pan, playing in the river today, and that's what we did. Can't beat that, nice day in Michigan. So anyways, until our next adventure, we'll see you guys around.